You're watching KETV Channel 7 Omaha. More complete coverage. This is the most watched local news at 6. KETV News Watch 7.
In keeping the pokes to a minimum, a new technology helps nurses reduce the anxiety over needles for young children. Find out how doctors and nurses can improve their accuracy when we come back. Well, on the Health Watch tonight, drawing blood from babies and young children can many times be a hit and miss proposition. Their veins can be hard to find. But now there's a tool to help nurses find those elusive blood vessels. KETV News Watch 7's Alicia Hammond takes a closer look.
It's never a place you want to be, the hospital. But Jeremy Meyer had an unfortunate experience recently. He was hit by an alleged drunk driver.
I was on the side of the road, and my sister was on the other side, and I think the guy saw her, so he swerved over and didn't see me and hit me.
The accident sent Jeremy to Children's Hospital, which means IVs and blood draws. Not an easy feat for someone with small hidden veins.
They tried it the first time. They didn't get it.
That's where the vein viewer came to the rescue.
It has near-infrared technology, and near-infrared light is projected onto the patient's skin and helps to visualize the veins.
Kim Blake at Children's uses this portable machine to tackle tough jobs like Jeremy's and this little bundle.
It helps us so that we don't have to make multiple pokes on the child. It also makes it less traumatic because if we can already find a vein, the procedure takes less time.
The vein viewer is available to any patient at Children's. However, the bulk of its use tends to be on infants and toddlers.
They're moving around and they don't understand why we're doing it, and they're upset. It can be very traumatic, but also they're usually a lot chubbier and they have that baby fat, and so it's hard to see the veins in their hands.
Technology helping to relieve tears.
This is a huge advancement for our hospital and something that can hopefully make just the child, their stay better if that's one less thing they have to go through.
With your Health Watch, Alicia Hammond, KETV News Watch 7.
Children's Hospital has 2 vein viewers that are shared throughout the hospital.